Ever imagined exploring a world that glows in rusty oranges and reveals blue-tinged sunrises unlike anything on Earth? Picture yourself standing on Mars, as if you've just stepped off a spaceship onto a landscape painted in deep ochre hues. As you turn in place, all around you stretches an endless desert of iron-rich soil and scattered rocks. The ground crunches under your boots, each step kicking up a fine dust that sifts into the thin, alien air. Now, lift your gaze. The sky above isn't the familiar bright blue of home. Instead, it's a hazy orange veil, filled with tiny, rusted particles lofted by whispering Martian winds. Against this backdrop, the sun hovers on the horizon, surprisingly small and tinted with a subtle shade of blue at dawn and dusk. This strange coloring is no optical illusion. It's caused by the way those suspended dust grains scatter sunlight, letting the blue tones slip through more easily near the sun's rim. Then, as if to remind you that water once played a role in shaping this distant world, you might spot pale, shimmering clouds floating high overhead. Unlike Earth's billowing cumulus shapes, these Martian water ice clouds can twist into forms that defy our familiar patterns, puzzling scientists to this day. These fragile cloud wisps are something the Perseverance rover, NASA's robotic explorer, captured in its images last March. Proof that there's still so much left to discover about the red planet. Imagine the thrill of breathing in that moment, if only you could without a spacesuit. Knowing you stand on a world that once may have harbored liquid water and possibly life. Mars awaits our footprints, our questions, and our dreams. Until then, we rely on our robotic pioneers and the images they send back to spark our imagination.